Munene wa Maminista Musalia Mudavadi Niwanyungunyika Yiulu wa Undu mutalatala wa Kuseuvya kwanza Nzau ya Iebc Uendee na Kuselew'a Ayasya kana Niuendee Kukuna Iseso ya Kwiyumbanisya Usakuani na Maundu Angi Matwaiiaw'a ni Nzama eva Kenya. Mudavadi yasebya moma Atongoi magwati kutumia koti Meuselesya Kuseuvya wa Nzama ya Iebc unani wake uyoka itino wa Munene kana koti Munene kuungamia kuthuimwa kwa makomishona la manolo tuleni musumbe Munene nene Boniface.
Munene wa Maminista wa Kenya Musalia Mudavadi Kuselew'a kwa kwikiwa kwanza munini wa Iebc ni kutonya kwa nanga walanyola withe wa Usakuani va Kenya va Mudavadi wetakana ndhu mwesiende na ulikila Maundu aya ya kiuteti na ila ivingi sete vyo kwikiwa kwanza maeno ya univani vaka.
The next step is that Iebc must be constituted. Iebc, the formalities have been processed, wamesukuma, watu walifanya interview, ikawa in public, ikawa hadharani. Some of you watched on TV. You watched the people being interviewed. You yourselves as Kenyans, you know out of those interviews who performed well and who did not perform well. A decision has been made. The names are now before Parliament. Parliament has even issued a notice when they are receiving the names that if you have any material information that would make it impossible for any of these candidates whose names are here, please bring that evidence.
Mudavadi ende analisekana koti Munene nuongamite alamethi tumolotetwe kuungamia Nzama eno nyuvani na mevaka Aiweta kana tiundu wailite kuithwa onthe mekithiwe mutiani menende kila vandu na vateundu wa uvithanya na lama valukile na lama vetivu onthe mesewe ni enende ma Kenya.
Lakini we are seeing people who are getting worried. They want to delay elections. They went to court. When the first process started, they said they wanted conversation, a dialogue. Dialogue was held. The process has started again. Through proxy, the same fellows are going to court to delay. Surely, you cannot have an Iebc of all tribes. You can only have an Iebc of the nation. The Constitution does not allow for 42 or 43 commissioners. It has a limited number. So it is obvious you will never have every community in the same Iebc all at the same time. It will be against the law.
Kuselew'a kwa Muvango yu kwikia maeno ya mevaka ni kutonya nanga vyu mendola mekito na Muvango la ithito ya kikatiba kandino ya Kenya kukonya Maundu ma Usakuani na la methito maivingisa kwikiwa kwanza maeno no kwethwa maikia Usakuani ulaungi weteletwe.
Wacha kuogopa election by delaying Iebc. Nobody wants a repeat of 2007 and 2008 elections. Post-election violence. It is not something that we should try and threaten people with. We should not even contemplate going there. Don't seek votes by threatening people. Seek votes by selling your policies. Uza sera zako, wacha kutisha watu. Ukabila hautatupeleka pahali popote katika taifa letu.
Anene akiku ya kaundi ni Kakamega walaweta kana veisio mbingi kana ndini mawandi kwa dhoni na ilio mbunge itena ndomao Atongoi na Kuselew'a kwanza ma Iebc kuendea na kwa nanga udhukumi wa isio hivi anondo mwana kuvata enende udhasio wa kuithwa na Atongoi watakana nonginya vedhiwe na walanyo metukiwa kuikia Nzama eno nyuvani na mevaka Iebc.
There are constituencies in this country that have been sitting without an MP for several months. That is disservice to those people, because there is no Iebc. We cannot continue delaying the process of the Iebc because we are denying a lot of Kenyans their constitutional right to have representation. Iebc undwe, Iebc ifanye kazi yake, Malava wapate by election, wawe na MP wao, Wale MCAs ambao hawako wapatikane katika taifa letu, senators wapatikane, tumalize hii maneno, we move forward.
Atongoi TV Nyanitoa Boni Mutesia.